Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Wala Abu-Eid and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious apple cinnamon cake. It is so easy, light and fluffy. You're going to love it. So here I've got my 2 apples. I'm going to remove the skin and then dice them. I'm going to core them to remove all the seeds. There we go. Now time to dice them. You could make them whatever size you like. I'm going for some not too chunky, like medium sized pieces. Transfer the apples to a bowl or a plate. To the apples, add brown sugar, and cinnamon, and give them a good mix. Now set your apples aside until the cake is ready. We're going to use this for the topping. Onto the cake part. First I'm going to add my eggs. Then sugar and vanilla to a bowl. Going to hand whisk these really well until combined, light and fluffy. Now to add the flour, I'm using self-raising flour, the milk and the oil, finally the baking powder. Mix again really well until all these are combined. I am using my Dorsch non-stick cake tin in this beautiful shape. All I have to do is spray it with some oil and it will come out beautifully without sticking. If your tin is not non-stick, I would say line it with baking paper or place a layer of oil followed by a layer of flour and remove the excess before you pour your cake batter in. Dorsch non-stick pots and pans are absolutely amazing and they are the only thing I use in my kitchen. I will place a link for them in my description box so you guys can check them out if you are interested in purchasing some yourself. Time to pour in my cake mix. Our prepared apples go on top of the cake, like so. Space them out as much as you can. that's what it looks like. Now in the oven it goes until it completely cooks and until a skewer pierced inside comes out clean. Once your cake is baked, let it cool down completely, then transfer to your serving tray. Sprinkle with icing sugar and enjoy. You can find the full recipe in the description box below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram as well for more delicious recipes and cooking videos.